Okay, so you have learned how to apply permissions to a file. But what if you want to apply that same permission to the folder, and you want that all the files and folders inside that folder will be automatically share the same permissions? For example, first let's move to desktop. Okay, and if I do pwd, you can see we are on the desktop of the root. Here if I do ls-l, you will see that we have a folder XYZ. Okay, and these are the permissions for that particular folder. Okay, and let's check the data inside this folder. So we have only one file here, so let me create one more file. So touch temp. Okay, and let's just create a folder as well, so abc. Okay, so now we have one folder and two files inside the XYZ folder, right? And you can check their permissions as well. By default, the directory have these permissions, okay, and files have this, right? So let's go one step back. Okay, so this time I will change the permission for this folder. Okay, but later you will came to know that all the data inside this folder, which is these things, all these files and folders will get the same permission which we apply here. Okay, so let's see the practical. chmod -R. R stands for recursive, which means all the data inside a folder, right? So this time we are actually assigning permissions to a folder and its content and the name. Okay, first the permissions, let's say 777. Okay, I want to assign full permissions to all the, including admin, group and other users. Okay, and at last we have the name of the folder. Hit enter. Let's do ls-l for XYZ, and you can see the directory has read write execute permission for admin, read write execute permission for group and read write execute permission for others as well, right? Now let's move inside the folder and let's check the permissions here as well. So you can see all the files changes to green color because the files are now executable, right? See, both files have full permissions, right? So this is how you can assign a permission over the folder and its contents using -R. R stands for recursive.